So I found one note, and he's starting to come after me because I can hear the music. And there's a bunch of fog. What is up with that? Last time I played, that wasn't there. Oh, Courtney's watching. I really can't see anything. Okay. I'm in a tree. And that is so slow. No, there's a fence there. I'm turning around. No! Oh, I'm filming a really boring video, sorry. Turn on! Okay, part 1 is uploading. Talking to my what was I even gonna say? Fave. My camera. Can't run anything. Slender, just come after me. Just come after me already. Just please, just make me stop playing this game because it won't work. My hair is terrible. Ugh. It's just like not straight. It's not even curly. I think I'm on a tree. Oh, I think it's the building! Can I go forward? No. I think he's coming. Oh my god, I see him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Hurry up. Come on. No. Someone text me. Okay, no one. Someone texted me. I don't know who. There he is again. Turn around. Please turn around. Thank you. Okay, I will go do part 3.